Welcome to Excel Essential for Beginners. I'm Vanessa, your mentor and guide through this beautiful course and the elements that it has to offer. Now, this is going to be a beginner's course on Microsoft Excel, or you simply call it as Excel. I bring to you the important features along with how to use Excel effectively. Now, Excel is a spreadsheet that we use for data application, charts, graphs, project management, and data analysis. Excel is a very important skill in everyone's world today is because of its immense application worldwide. It's so popular that you find everyone using it in their day-to-day jobs. But the question is, how well do we know to use it? So here we are going to focus on some base topics like working with the interface, sorting and filtering data, working with tables, and so on. So if you are a first timer or if you are a student, you will find this course very learner friendly and easy. If you have some experience on this application, then you will get to learn certain aspects and in-depth knowledge of how and why do we use these features. And yes, I will be sharing some tips and tricks throughout the course that I feel will help you a lot in the long run and provide you with an edge on your working with Excel. So good luck on your progress and see you in the next video.